Hey guys, how's it going? How to use Hostinger's performance monitor. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and select a plan. And if you want to buy a subscription or upgrade to a premium, please visit the link in the description box to get a discount. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the official website. Okay, so basically, website uptime monitoring takes more than just keeping your homepage live. Focus on improving the following areas as to achieve higher website uptime percentage, like server health. When someone visits your website, their browser sends a request to your server and then processes the request and sends back the required information or web page to the user's computer. Pay close attention to key servers metrics like CPU usage, memory load, and disk space availability for web server uptime monitoring. Meanwhile, server logs let you detect server issues and potential threats early, right? Hostinger is transparent about its server status by providing detailed reports or performance logs and website uptime history to the public. Alright, so your hosting provider maintains the servers that store your website's data in hosting performance. It also provides technical support and disaster recovery plans to resolve security threats and prevent data loss. Reliable website hosting companies mitigate common issues like server overloads, hardware malfunction, and network interruptions. They also conduct a frequent maintenance routine like data backups and system updates to ensure maximum uptime. All right. So if you want to know basically how you keep your performance high on Hostinger, Hostinger users can easily conduct hosting performance monitoring via HPanel. Navigate to the hosting and then resources usage to check your hosting plan utilization. All right. Their web and cloud hosting plans are also include automatic weekly and daily backups. All right. You can see it right here. Click on hosting and then click the second option, resources usage, to see that or keep track of your performance. All right. So scroll a little bit down, right? And here you're gonna see the domain name system DNS. Efficient DNS is crucial for directing users to the correct server. So if you want to access it, right, again through the dashboard right here, you're gonna see home, websites, and then hosting. Go ahead and click the third option. Let me go back, and then you're gonna see on the left sidebar, scroll a little bit down, and then click advanced, and then click DNS zone editor. And you're gonna see right here, right, the DNS, right, and make sure that you keep it, make sure that you keep it, make sure that you keep it high performance, because if you don't, that means that people will have problems accessing the domain. Okay. And you have the website content. Broken links and missing files are common website downtime causes that are often overlooked. They hurt user experience, trigger repeated errors, requests that consume server resources, and disrupt automated process. Regularly scanning your website with content monitoring tools like System File Checker and Dead Link Checker helps detect and fix these issues. So Dead Link Checker, right, helps you just putting your website, right, just put in your domain and then check for any issues, so you can go back and try to fix that problem within your hosting plan. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.